How many of you like gifts? People who are on videos can raise their hands and others can use Zoom reaction. Wow, I can see everybody loves to have gifts. Let me ask you another question. Can anyone guess what could be the gift? EC is not allowed to pitch in. And you all have a 30 seconds to unmute your lines and shout out your responses.
Cake.
No.
Kheer.
Not
Kheer
really.
for Eid.
Not really.
Khayali
Salmon
pulao.
drink.
Barfi.
Khayali pulao.
No.
Vaccine.
All right. Time's up. And I am going to unfold the gift as we go along. A very good afternoon to fellow Toastmasters and dear guests. Let me share three challenges. As an EC, we have heard from different club members and the inputs we have received from the previous EC team. Number one, sign up for roles. As a current standard practice, for every meeting, the role board gets floated on WhatsApp. And since some of the members are not being active on that platform, and they really missed out picking up their chosen role. Second challenge, how members can track their educational progress. For example, a member, how far is away to complete the pathway project? Or how many times a different club meeting roles has been taken? Or how a member can set up a goal for next 6 months that how many speeches I want to cover and track down the progress. Third challenge, how a mentor can track mentees' progress. As you all know, mentors plays a very important role in mentees' progress. In our club, we have a mentors like Toastmaster Wilchit, Toastmaster Mudit, Toastmaster Deepak. They have 6 to 10 mentees attached to them. And knowing about every mentee into what project they are, what pathway level they have chosen, how many different type of roles they have taken in past 6 months, there is no mechanism in place to get to know all that data. To solve all these challenges, I've been doing the research from past 5 weeks. I connected to many global clubs, joined multiple forums on Facebook, Quora, connected to multiple vice president educations of different clubs to know how effectively they are dealing with these challenges. And finally, I got a gift for all of you. EasySpeak Toastmasters Automation. EasySpeak is a web-based online portal. It is being used by more than 80% of the clubs worldwide, those who are currently using any type of automation platform to manage their regular club meetings. This platform solves all the challenges which we have discussed and provide hosts of other incredible benefits. Let me share a glimpse of this platform with all of you. Every club member is going to have their own secured area onto the portal. Once they log in, they can see what is that next week meeting schedule. They can just pick up the role, just clicking the yes. So no more need to wait for a message on WhatsApp. They can track down their own progress, how many speeches they have done, who has evaluated, on which date they have completed. They can even set up a goal for themselves that over the period of next 5 months or 6 months, how many speeches they wanted to deliver and how it can be tracked down. There's a single dashboard which displays what different type of roles they have opted in regular club meetings. Currently, that data has not been available. It's all manual. So now we are going to have one dashboard which will give you all the details. Mentor-mentee details. Once the club member has logged in, go to that mentoring tab, see what all mentors have been attached to that particular, mentees have been attached to a particular mentor. For example, as you can see onto the screen, right side, all the mentees attached to a mentor mentioned onto the left-hand side. And if anyone wanted to see the progress, they can just click on that. All the details will be visible. This is my favorite. On one screen, you can see all the club member details, what vertical pathways they have taken, how many speeches they have delivered, how active they are. And if a person, club member wanted to send out a message to someone, they can just click onto that message and send the details. That's another interesting feature, international club meetings. These are all meetings scheduled all across the world. If a club member wanted to join any meeting in different clubs, they can just see that meeting scheduled, click on that and highlight, I'm interested to join your meeting as a guest. Let me just stop sharing that screen. How many of you feel, wow, that this is really going to make everyone's life a lot easier? Okay, and another interesting fact, this platform is not going to cost even a penny to our club. Isn't it a great news? And next thing, how this platform is going to roll out with the club members. So the current EC has chalked out a complete rollout plan. So we are going to send out an email by Monday, which is 3rd of August, with all your login details, password, and the training video URLs. And then on Tuesday, which is 4th of August, we are planning to organize a detailed workshop with all of you to run past all the features of this platform and address your queries. So with that, I would say, I hope you love that gift, and I would really look forward for all of you to adopt this platform and maximize your own growth and learning. Thank you, and over to Toastmasters of the day.